Today we're going to be talking about the Infinity Riage X3 with the new remote that we now have to offer. Once your chair is plugged in, you want to hit the power button, of course. When you do have a customer in the chair, we always recommend putting them into the extension program right away. You'll see this up here in the screen. You have your automated programs, which is what you're going to hit to activate that. You have your extension that goes right away, and as you can see, the chair is reclining back. It's going to start off by doing the body sensing to get the correct height of the customer in the chair. You have many other automated programs in the chair that you can offer to the customer. You have work relief, sports refresh, rest and sleep, where it's going to rock the customer back and forth like a cradle, neck and shoulders, waist and spine, a deep Shiatsu massage, healthy breath, massage extend, which this is now getting into the 3D massage programs, and back to the extension for the stretching programs. Once the customer's in the chair for a few minutes and they are very interested in it, and you do want to start customizing the massage for the customer, you want to go to the manual settings. All you have to do is hit manual, and you can see you have the options of Shiatsu massage, tapping, knocking, kneading, sync, which is syncing the two massages together, meaning the kneading and tapping, and rhythm. That's going to have the music attached to go to the beat of the music with the rollers. I normally like to go down to the kneading massage to customize it for a customer while they're in the chair. Once you have it in kneading, you're going to see that the rollers are currently moving up and down the track. By using this little red dot here, it's going to be moving up. What you want to do to customize it and pinpoint an area is you want to hit the zone button. If you hit the zone button, you'll see that the arrows light up, and that stops the rollers. Well, it actually puts them in a position where it's going back and forth about 6 to 8 inches. And if you hit it one more time, it actually stops the rollers dead on, which you can see on the screen that the actual red dot is no longer moving. If you want to concentrate on the customer's neck and shoulders, which is where a lot of people do get their stress and they want the rollers to go up there and really get a nice deep tissue massage, you hold these arrow buttons. So we want to hit up, and as you can see, it is going up to the top of their neck. Once you hit their location, you then can customize really anything in the chair the customer either wants on or off. You can use the backrest buttons here to change the different positions of the chair, reclining back or reclining forward. You then have the calf adjust. You can bring the reclining of the calf massage down to the ground or even up parallel to the heart. You can then change the air intensity, and you're going to see this up on the screen up here. There are many different air intensity levels. We are all the way up there. You also have the airbag zone. Once you hit the airbag zone, you can choose what part of the massage you want the airbag activated. You have the legs and feet, the buttocks region, airbags completely off, or completely full massage. Working your way over now to the speed. By hitting speed, you can see up on the screen that there are different intensity levels for speed and how fast you can get the rollers to massage the person. You also now have foot rollers. Not everybody likes foot rollers. If someone does not like it, you can hit the button and shut it right off. You also have the availability to have 3 different intensity levels with the foot rollers in any manual program. Secondly, we have the timer. The timer can be anywhere from 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Off to your right, you do have the heat. It will activate on the remote here. The heat is now on. It is now off. The big feature of this chair, having the rollers being 3-dimensional, is that you can change the intensity of the rollers per customer. And all you have to do is by hitting this 3D massage. By hitting the 3D massage, you're going to see that the level is going to go up, which is going to bring the intensity of the rollers and protrude out towards the customer's shoulders even more. If intensity is too much for the customer, you can hit the 3D one more time and it would have the rollers sink into the chair to give more of a light tissue massage. The last button we haven't talked about today is the width. width is a different width of the rollers depending on using which automated and manual program or manual setting for massage techniques. Shiatsu is one of those manual programs that you can use to change the width. Shiatsu is where it's going to roll up and down the customer's spine, and you can actually hit the width button, which then lights up to let you know it is active, and you can make it so the rollers are tight to the spine or a little about 4 to 6 inches wider, and then as wide as the shoulder blades. This is the basic functionality of how to use the new Riage X3 remote. If you do have any further questions, please reach us at 603-347-6006 or visit our website at www.infinitymassagechairs.com.